Hey, car fans, I'm Mike Berger with CarSoup.com, and this is another episode of Car Soup Car Closeups, or as we like to call it, C3. So on today's episode of C3, we're talking about the Mitsubishi Outlander. Now don't confuse this with the slightly smaller Outlander Sport. That's about 14 inches shorter than this model. Now we're here with the good folks at White Bear Mitsubishi, and with Richard Herod III, he's going to walk us through all of the great details, features, and functions of this vehicle.
Thanks, Mike. The 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander is one of the safest crossovers you can buy. That's right. In addition to having a 5-star overall crash rating, the Mitsubishi Outlander has been an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus every year since 2013.
The Mitsubishi Outlander first hit the world stage back in 2001 in Japan as the Mitsubishi Airtrek, and it wasn't until 2003 that it first came to North America. This 7-passenger modern interpretation of Mitsubishi's classic is one of the company's best-selling models. The Outlander has been an IIHS Top Safety Pick recipient for 4 years running, and it comes with a slew of available safety features such as 7 standard airbags, automatic high beams, forward collision mitigation, and even blind spot warning. There's room for 7 passengers, or fold the second and third row of seats down for 63 cubic feet of cargo space. Outlander's standard 2.4-liter, 166 horsepower aluminum block 4-cylinder engine features a continuously variable valve lift system called MIVEC, which stands for Mitsubishi Innovative Valve Timing Electronic Control. The Outlander GT boasts a 24-valve 3.0-liter V6 MIVEC engine that produces a full 224 horsepower. Inside the Outlander are a lot of amenities. Right on the steering wheel are controls that allow you to operate the vehicle's audio, Bluetooth wireless, and cruise control systems. There's also an available heated steering wheel. Mitsubishi's available smartphone-linked display audio system allows you to maintain caution behind the wheel while enjoying your smartphone's conveniences. This advanced feature supports Apple CarPlay and lets you access your music and maps, make phone calls, and even send messages all through the touch panel or with just using your voice using Siri. The system also supports Android Auto. Simply press the push to talk, and Google will take care of the rest. As usual, there's just too much to put into one video. But considering that the Outlander starts at $23,945, you owe it to yourself to check out this more than capable crossover.